Honey, have you seen my keys?
No. Do you want a burger? I found your keys.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, that's interesting. Oh, it's so cute. Huh? Oh no, I'm too late.
Come here, little guy.
Yay! Oh, why am I so unlucky?
Here you go.
Oh my, so sweet. Whatever. Oh, it's so lovely. Here, I'm gonna take the kitty. Are you ready? Come in. Oh, come on, you'll like it here. Let's see how you like this. No reaction? Like it all? Meow. I know. That's better. What was that? Finally! Huh? No way! Kitty cat, time for breakfast! Ow! Ew! Huh? What's wrong with you? Why didn't you use the bathroom? Huh? So, you can choose which one you like most. Maybe? Nope. Huh? What? Hungry. So, what now? Hungry? That's for you! How about this? Okay, let's try. Oh, you like naughties? Ew! Do you want some? I hope you're not too hot. Huh? Oh, good doggy, thank What's that?
Well, that was easy. Oh no.
Hey, let's play!
And now be quiet. Shh. Oh, this one's pretty. See you later. Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, good, they're here.
Well...
I've got something for you. Isn't it awesome?
Not really.
Huh?
I'm sure you like my gift. Ta-da! Wow, this one's good.
Thank you. Not a problem. Huh? He's here! Coming!
Missed me?
Welcome! Mwah. Calm down, Blackie! Piro!
What did I tell you? Behave yourself.
Uh-oh, I have a bad feeling.
Huh? Ew! Aha! You ruined my shoes! I'll show you, huh?
What are you doing here?
Your cat has ruined my shoes!
That's impossible!
Yes, it is! I saw it!
Oh, what's wrong, sweetheart? Oh, you want me to go with you? Wait, not so fast! Ouch! Huh? My new bag! You ruined my favorite bag! Why? Just why?
Liza, stop it!
It's your dog's fault!
My dog never behaves like this with me. It'll go first. Huh? Oh, hey! Yeah, everything's going fine. Okay, bye. I see. What did I do to you? Why did you ruin my best suit?
Calm down!
How can I? Look at this!
No, there's no way Blackie did this! Huh? Oh no! I can't believe my eyes!
here they are. Look.
Oh. No! Oh.
Oops. Ah. It's here. Up. I'm on time. Up. Oh gosh! Oh.
You brought balloons!
What? Where is Arana? Get out! Oh. Ouch! Let's go! Huh? It's so itchy. What does he need?
Where is the delivery for the client?
Nope. What's this? Oh no. Huh? I know what to do. Up, 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 up. This way. Delivery!
Oh, you're here? Nice cactus!
Please.
Thanks!
Sign for the delivery.
Sure! Bye!
Let's do an experiment. Completely different stuff. Oh, that's awful. Need to write down. I don't work here anymore. What's the matter? Werewolf Company is ready to help.
Unbelievable! Thanks! Great!
Oh my god! Fantastic!
Take this.
This is from my family! Thanks a lot!
Deliver the parcel to my sweetheart. Yes, sir. Cheers. Miss you. What's that sound? What? Hey, catch that! Oh, what's going on here?
And for you too. Oh, what's inside? Oh,
What was that?
huh. Ugh. Trash. What's this? Dress. Again. Ugh. Oh, at least eat something.
No.
Much better.
Yummy!
I'm almost done.
Looks awesome.
Oh, I love Christmas.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Ouch! Luke! Oh no! No! No!
We saved our tree.
Yeah, the last touch. Don't touch it. Huh? Don't you get it? Ouch! My eye! You can't run away! Stop! Aha! I know! Oh yeah!
I hope Santa won't forget the gifts.
Of course not!
Huh? Let me fix it. Huh?
No idea.
idea.
Aha! Up.
What?
Oh!
Again? Get down, you silly cat!
What a smart guy I am.
Piro, open it.
Sure. So far, so good.
It's gonna be great.
Huh?
Whoa, that's too much. That fire isn't a joke. Well, Merry Christmas.
What are we gonna do?
Whoa.
Oh, cool!
Fantastic! Liza? Please? Let's do this.
Enough. Stay here.
You asked for it. What? Oh my! Oh, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Oh no!
No! Here!
Here! Oh, don't even think about coming back. It's about to start. Oh. Huh? A gift?
Oh, Liza, look! Santa!
Really?
Hey, thank you!
Huh?
Huh? Hey, hey! Hey, buddy!
We've missed you, huh?
Oh.
Come on.
What?
Oh, they're here!
Disgusting! I can't move.
Help you!
Don't worry, darling.
Up. You'll get used to it.
Oh, my car!
Alas.
It's time for lunch!
Oh, no! Why, Mom?
Let's take a photo! Smile! Cool! And one more.
The delicious turkey is ready.
Huh? Ew!
I want to sleep. Ouch. What? Who's that? Mom, Dad!
It's time to wake up. Huh? Oh, get ready.
Mommy, Daddy!
Get out, boy. Okay, as you wish. Let's go.
I want to sleep, Dad. Me too.
That's for you.
We're screwed. What are we gonna do? I have an idea. Eureka! Hup. Come here. He's not watching us? No. Hup.
I have to do it myself.
What a scoundrel. Ouch! Oops.
So, how do I do it? Okay. I can't! Ooh. What? I'll do it. Huh? Oh, she flew so far.
We didn't find anything.
So what?
We did great.
Yeah.
Oh, exactly.
What?
Look here. Bingo. Quickly.
Hey! Huh?
Where are they going? Oh,
Hey, 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 we have more.
what? How?
Hey, 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 let's get some more.
Oh, they fell into the river.
Run!
Huh? Whoa!
Jeez!
It's time. Uh-huh.
Hurry up. Are you ready, son?
Yes, Daddy.
Hey. Great, you're next. Up. Oh, what do I do?
I'm stuck. Oh.
You You did it, Dad! Finally!
Oh, how I've missed our car.
Done! Start the car!
Oh, it's not working. Hooray!
Hurry up!
Huh? They won't come.
They're leaving?
Adios!
Why? They forgot this. Oh,
Can't believe we're here.
Good morning. We've got a reservation.
Welcome. Here is your room key.
Thanks a lot.
I'll show you to your room.
It's so lovely here.
Here it is.
What? This can't be true. Huh? Oh no. Piro, no! Please, pretty please, can we stay in that room?
No, you can't.
Huh?
Sorry, there is nothing I can do.
But there must be some other room.
Anyway, have a look at your room.
Ugh.
Thanks.
Oh,
No, wait.
have a good rest.
Just look at this view! Yay!
Ah!
Oops.
We're doomed. A broken mirror? Room number 13? Ah! I've been waiting for this trip for ages.
Ah, never mind.
No, it has started. See? Told ya. Say cheese. Huh? Oh no, a black cat?
Oh, come on. Let's go.
Piro, we shouldn't go there.
Do you really believe in superstitions? See? Nothing's happened to me. Oh.
You see? Ah! Piro! Oh no, what shall I do? Aha! They have to save him. A bee has stung my boyfriend. He's having an allergic reaction.
Coming. Don't worry, he's gonna be okay.
Ah! Stop! Stop! Don't take him away! Ah! Piro, wait!
Much better.
Huh? Phew, you're okay.
Yep, as good as new. Huh?
Ah!
Ouch! Huh? At least nothing's broken. Ew.
Na 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 na.
What's wrong? Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere near that bucket with paint.
Oh, it's nothing. Watch me.
Oh, I knew it! It's a nightmare! A real nightmare! Gotta do something. But what? We won't survive this vacation. I know. Easy peasy. That's better. Look, no more bad luck.
Ah, awesome.
Phew.
Oh, such a pretty boy. Hi. Hi. I'm Liza.
I don't care.
Huh? Well. Showtime. Help! Help! I'm drowning! Let me go! He's the perfect man. I have a plan.
I'll have a nice day. I'm sinking! Help me!
Aloha!
Wow! What? What happened? Why am I here?
The ship went down. But we survived.
Huh?
We're alone in this tropical paradise.
Ahem.
How are you? Our new home.
So.
Oh, he wants to eat. Great. I know this will work. I made this for you.
Ew! I hate fish. Monster!
Where are you going? Oh, it's so cute.
Hurry! What is it? I will survive!
Stop!
Ciao!
There's only one boat. I'll stay here alone. Forever. Beautiful fireworks.
Are you okay?
It's a mirage.
I saw your signal.
I'm better now.
You're my queen. Will you marry me?
Yes!
Huh?